As time reaches the boundary between one year and the next, the direction of the industry begins to sharpen, and the answers behind the trends slowly come into view. Standing at the end of 2025, stepping into the beginning of 2026, we are more certain than ever of one thing. The adoption of Web3 is entering its first truly real phase. As the mainstream world begins to push on-chain access to the system level, Web3 will no longer belong to a small circle of early adopters, but will move into everyday, real-world usage for everyone. Looking back at 2025, this was the year when the industry was still locked in debate, asking again and again, how does Web3 actually reach the mainstream? We answered that question not with theories, but with real, global delivery, the hardest and most direct proof possible. Multiple batches of WebKey Cooper 3 were shipped worldwide, with new deliveries accelerating continuously. More devices were activated, logged in, and connected across cities, regions, and continents around the world. This was also the year when GM Tech Incorporated, GMTH, officially announced its strategic partnership with WebKey, marking the acceleration of WebKey's 1+N global capital market strategy. At On-Chain 2140 in Jeju Island, South Korea, builders from more than 20 countries and regions resonated in unison. Different languages, different cultures, different backgrounds, yet all converging toward the same direction. Access is becoming the core infrastructure of the next generation of Web3. WebKey is access. It is a bridge. It is a terminal. It is a carrier. For the first time, it makes the complex on-chain world usable, visible, and scalable in real life. With a single device, we brought the core battlegrounds of the next decade into everyday reality. When OKX and Gate proactively listed WebKey DAO, it signaled that this path was being integrated and validated by broader market infrastructure. When WebKey DAO surpassed 1.1 million holding addresses, the outline of a real global network began to take shape. The more people enter, the stronger the access becomes. The more connections are formed, the more irreversible the ecosystem grows. Thank you, 2025. Thank you for every decision to believe. Thank you to every builder who walked this path side by side. It was you who turned a single phone into the starting point of global consensus. It was you who helped WebKey grow from a product into a phenomenon that is now unfolding. As we step into 2026, the trends are clearer and the path is more predictable than ever. Access will become the main battlefield of the next cycle. Delivery will become the engine of ecosystem expansion. Compliance and capitalization will become the high-speed lanes of globalization. WebKey will move from usable to scalable, from delivery to mass adoption, from ecosystem coordination to global synchronization. Sprint into 2026 with larger delivery scale, stronger ecosystem collaboration, and a clearer capital pathway. We will turn access into a global foundation capable of supporting hundreds of millions of users and asset flows. As more devices are activated, as more ecosystems connect, as more real applications land, the world will come to see one undeniable truth. The adoption of Web3 starts with the phone, and WebKey is already ahead. Next stop, 2026. Together, we will carry the light of WebKey to every corner of the world.